Let's start with the driver's side. Spray both of your hands with the install solution until wet. Spray the install area. Spray the Headlight PPF on the outside. Peel and spray the inside of the PPF too. Before applying, make sure you have the right orientation. Move the PPF around to make sure it glides easily. If not, spray more install solution. Align the bottom corner. Once aligned, hold the piece a third of the way up and spray water under the PPF, flushing out the install solution. This allows the PPF to anchor into place. Check the alignment one more time. Then, gently squeegee from where your hand is holding the PPF out to the bottom corner. Make sure you're gliding through and squeegeeing in the same direction. If the squeegee is not gliding easily, add more install solution on top of the PPF so that it will. Wait a minute or two to ensure that it's fully anchored in that area. Spray more install solution underneath and on top of the PPF, excluding the area that you just anchored. Using the palm of your hand, stretch the PPF from the middle to the right side, making sure the top corner aligns. It should cover the whole headlight. Once you feel confident about the alignment of the top corner, spray water under the top corner of the PPF, flushing out the install solution. Using the palm of your hand, stretch from the middle to the right side, making sure the top corner aligns. Hold the alignment for 10 to 20 seconds for the adhesive to activate. Slowly let go and confirm that it is anchored. Squeegee from the middle of the first anchored section all the way out to the top corner. With overlapping strokes, squeegee from the middle down until you get to the end. Then, squeegee from the middle to the top. If you have wrinkles that come up, spray water into the wrinkles and squeegee downward with force to get them out. Using a microfiber cloth, wipe down the headlight. Let it dry for at least 24 hours. Do the same for the passenger side. The fog lights are much simpler and do not require the water bottle. Make sure your fog lights are washed and clean. Let's start with the driver's side. Spray both of your hands with the install solution until wet. Spray the install area. Spray the fog light PPF on the outside. Peel and spray the inside of the PPF too. Before applying, make sure you have the right orientation. Align the PPF. Take your time, and if it starts getting difficult to move around, spray more install solution. While holding the PPF, gently squeegee from the middle to the sides until you get all of the install solution out. Using a microfiber cloth, wipe down the fog light. Let it dry for at least 24 hours. Do the same for the passenger side.